The power of your subconscious mind. Welcome to Global Audiobook Insights. Imagine having a hidden superpower that could heal your body, attract wealth, repair broken relationships, and create the life of your dreams. That power already exists within you. It's called your subconscious mind. Joseph Murphy's timeless book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, shows us how our thoughts shape our reality. Whether you believe it or not, your subconscious is like a garden. Whatever you plant, positive or negative, will eventually grow. This book has transformed millions of lives worldwide. Today, let's explore the key lessons and real-life stories that will inspire you to reprogram your subconscious and unlock unlimited possibilities. Lesson 1. The subconscious creates your reality. Your conscious mind is like the captain, but your subconscious is the powerful engine running the ship. Whatever you repeat, beliefs, fears, or desires, your subconscious accepts as truth. Story. Joseph Murphy shares about a man who constantly worried about losing his job. He kept imagining failure until eventually he was fired. On the other hand, another person focused daily on success and advancement, and soon received a promotion. Takeaway: guard your thoughts. Speak only what you want to create, not what you fear. Lesson 2. Healing through the mind. The subconscious can heal the body if programmed with faith and positivity. Doctors often see placebo effects where patients heal simply because they believe the medicine will work, even when it's just sugar pills. Story. Murphy tells of a woman with arthritis who repeated daily, "Every day I am becoming healthier and stronger." Over time, her subconscious accepted this belief, and she experienced remarkable healing. Takeaway: use affirmations and visualization to support health. Your body listens to your mind. Lesson 3. Wealth and prosperity. If you constantly think "I'm broke," your subconscious creates situations that keep you broke. Instead, shift to thoughts of abundance. Story. A businessman struggling financially changed his self-talk from "I can't afford it" to "I choose to create wealth." Within months, opportunities began appearing and his finances turned around. Takeaway: replace scarcity thinking with abundance affirmations like, "Wealth flows freely into my life." Lesson 4. Relationships and love. Your subconscious attracts people who match your dominant thoughts and beliefs. If you believe nobody respects me, you'll attract disrespect. If you believe I am worthy of love, love finds its way to you. Story. Murphy mentions a woman who couldn't find love until she stopped repeating negative affirmations about men. Once she declared, "I attract a kind, loving partner," her mindset shifted, and within months, she met her husband. Takeaway: change your inner dialogue to change your relationships. Lesson 5. Sleep and the subconscious. Your subconscious works most powerfully while you sleep. Whatever you think about before bedtime sinks deep into your mind. Tip from the book. Before bed, repeat positive statements like, "Tomorrow will be successful and peaceful," and you'll notice real changes. Takeaway: never go to sleep worrying. Plant seeds of positivity instead. Lesson 6. Forgiveness and peace of mind. Holding on to anger or resentment poisons your subconscious. Forgiveness doesn't mean the other person was right. It means you're free. Story. A man who was bitter toward a business partner kept failing financially. When he finally forgave and let go, new opportunities opened up and his finances improved. Takeaway: forgive, release, and free your mind so success can flow. Lesson 7. Faith and belief. Your subconscious responds to belief. Faith is the switch that activates miracles. Even small acts of trust in yourself and in life can bring big changes. Story. A boy who stammered was told by his teacher he would never speak well, but his mother encouraged him daily. You have the gift of speech. He grew up to become a famous public speaker. Takeaway: believe in yourself, and your subconscious will find ways to prove you right. The power of your subconscious mind teaches us that life doesn't happen to us, it happens through us. Your inner world shapes your outer world. If you want health, think health. If you want success, think success. If you want love, think love. Remember Joseph Murphy's principle. Change your thoughts, and you change your destiny. If this summary inspired you, imagine what applying it could do for your life. Your subconscious mind is waiting. Feed it positivity, faith, and courage, and you'll see your world transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Audiobook Insights. Together, let's spread wisdom and empower more people to unlock their hidden potential.